So we're out and about today. I don't know why we're out and about today, but we are out and about. As you can see outside, it's a big old snowstorm. The weather network said we were supposed to get 2 to 5 centimeters, I think. What you said, right?
Yeah.
And it looks like we got a little more than that. It looks like we got about 30 centimeters of snow. Or the next one. So, as I said, we're just on our way. Well, we're out and about for some reason. Janika has decided she wants to come to the gym with me today because she's off from school. So she's going to come to the YMCA and do a workout with me. And then we got a couple of little errands that we have to run, which I don't imagine anything's going to stay open for long on a day like today, but you never know. There's probably a lot of fender benders and a lot of people driving like maniacs. So we're going to take our time and drive to arrive, and we will get to our destination so we can do our workout. Today, I'm going to do legs. Ooh, legs for Janika. Yippee. Ooh, yippee yahoo. So legs for Janika. Last night, Janika and I went to see, and her friend Kaylin, it was their birthday together on the same day. We went to see a movie called
Extraordinary Measures.
Extraordinary Measures, starring Brandon Fraser and Harrison Ford and, what was the girl's name?
I forget.
Carrie something?
Yeah.
Carrie? She's a good actress. I wish I could remember her name. I don't do that job. I'll have to find out and let you know. Anyway, Carrie Russell. Good little actress. The movie was actually better than I thought it was going to be because I read some other reviews, some what other critics were saying, and they kind of trashed it. So I didn't think it was that bad. It's a sad story, of course, and it's a tearjerker, and it's got, you know, if you have kids, you can certainly relate to the passion that this father has for wanting to save his kids' lives. So anyways, it was not a bad movie. I think out of 5, I would give it a 3.5. 3.5 stars. I wouldn't give it any more than that, but it is not a bad movie. So check it out, and we'll talk to you after. So, we drove all the way to the YMCA in a freaking snowstorm, and I forgot my sneakers in my other truck. Ah! So I did 30 minutes on the bike. I'm so proud of myself because me and Janika made me go all the way to the YMCA. What's wrong with my voice? How come my voice is... Oh, there, cleared my throat.
Oh my gosh.
So Janika made me drive all the way to the YMCA without my friggin' sneakers. We didn't get to work out. So I had to come home and do my own workout for 30 minutes. So I did the bike for 30 minutes. Men! That was Min saying hello. Happy Friday to everybody. So there's still a snowstorm outside. Let's go have a look. Let's make sure it's still snowing out here. Yep, looks like it's still snowing. Okay, and the baby's coming, so I gotta shut the door. She's always trying to make her escape because she thinks there's better offers somewhere else. Someone with better food, somebody with more toys, and someone better to play with. Candy, what are you doing? Candy, what you doing? Candy's got Elmo on her bum. Candy's got Elmo on her diaper. So, I did, because my wife's on crack. So, hey, Jaden, why are you chasing me? Why is she running? Why are you chasing me, you freak? Jaden, what are you doing? What are you doing? Jaden? What's in your mouth? Go give it to Mama. Go give it to Mama. There's something on her shoe. There must be a hair or something.
Give me your shoes, I'll wash it.
Go give it to Mama. Oh, it's a piece of peanut or something. She doesn't like it, whatever it is. It's on her lip now, I think. Hey, Cuckoo Bird! Nando! We're gonna yell at the goalie. Nando.
Go! Hey, you watch it. Go!
Oh!